Hi guys, how are you? Captain Nick once again here with MarineMax St. Petersburg, out enjoying a beautiful, peaceful day on a Sea Ray 400 SLX outboard. Why don't you hit that subscribe button, turn your notifications on, and never miss another boat walkthrough for the rest of your lives. Starting up here at the helm, we've got some really luxurious diamond stitch captain's chairs with these bolsters that do come up or down. Let's take a look at these two screens. We've got dual 16-inch Simrad screens right here. Do pretty much anything that has to do with the boat or the engines right here from these screens. Got a Navi-op system. While you do have the redundancy of the switches down here, you can control any lights, anything on the boat whatsoever with a completely integrated system with your Navi-op. Welcome to the future. When you're on the most over-the-top day boat that money can buy, of course you're going to have all the bells and whistles. With the joystick over here, got the sky hook on right now, keep us in the same spot. Just using the engines kind of keeping you with the GPS position. Moving away from the helm, we've got a nice bench seat co-captain's chair right here, which does swivel as a matter of fact. Up here you notice a nice hard top, typical of the SLX series. It's a premium package as far as everything goes, checking off all the boxes, absolutely not a single expense is spared. All the way back here to the sunshade, which gives us shade across the whole deck, which is controlled from the Navi-op system like we were talking about earlier. Gonna have a beautiful L-shaped lounging area right here. Ton of room on the back of the deck. I can easily envision a dozen of your closest friends hanging out back here. Well, okay, I don't have a dozen friends. You will have a dozen friends after you buy a boat like this, obviously. Plenty of countertop space right here. Put out a nice spread of wines, cheeses, the whole assortment for entertainment. Down here, gonna have your refrigerator, keep your beers cold, everything nice and chilled, especially on those hot days. Bow seating's obviously nothing new, but you are gonna notice something very different about this. Are we done? Alright, where were we? While bow seating is nothing new, you are gonna notice a few different features on the bow of the 400 SLX. First being a table that goes right there if there's too many people enjoying themselves on the rear table. Second, gonna have cup holders towards the bow, gives you a nice area to lean on and whatnot. Third, you have forward-facing loungers. I almost like to compare it to movie theater seating, which is obviously what you're gonna be dealing with once you got that sunset coming down off the front of the boat. While the 400 SLX is a day boat, it does include an area down below. And it's not like they just throw an area down below to get out of the elements. It really is a place that you're gonna wanna hang out, as you can see. There's plenty of one-liners I can throw in about how nice the bathroom is and this and that, but I'm gonna let it speak for itself. Check that out, come on guys. I can't think of many amenities at home that you would have that you would not have on the boat. TV, soundbar, fridge, microwave, you name it! For those overnight trips when it's time to duck away for the night, you do have a extremely spacious area down here hidden really well to sleep. Back here on the aft deck, we have yet another lounging area, but this one's a little bit more versatile than you might be used to. Pretty much do whatever you want. Even when you're out on the water every single day on these boats, you still learn something new all the time. What did I learn last week about the 400 SLX? Over here, you have a freshwater shower, attaches on a pole right here, and a drain right there. There's no reason to go back to shore. Triple supercharged Mercury 350 Verados. You saw earlier when we were up and running, there is no issue pushing this boat through the water. So you notice here, sea deck on the side of the boat. Why would you put sea deck on the side? Well, good question. Got the drop down side deployed. I want to jump in right now just to show you how it works. Can't do that, got my slacks on. However, guy behind the camera, Landon, pretty good looking, single by the way, ladies, hit him up, is going to show you how it works. I'm Captain Nick, MarineMax St. Petersburg, and I'm signing off. Landon, show us that world famous cannonball. Woo! That was awesome. What do I hit?
There's a button on the right. On the other side.
This?
No.
I'll just leave it right here.
Yeah, you're